I got this from Icreos, and today I'm gonna show how it works. This is the first video where I'm actually talking, and it's also in English, so it's a bit weird for me. And please forgive my weird Dutch accent. Okay, I'm gonna start with removing my makeup and exfoliating with this side. So I'm gonna grab my makeup remover, it's from Garnier. Just gonna put it everywhere. I always love this part because you look so fucking ugly. Anyways, we're gonna grab this and then we're just gonna use this and some warm water to remove all of this. So I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna rub it onto my skin. This feels really nice actually. And now I'm gonna wash my face. Most of my makeup is now removed from my face, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on. And then it's gonna heat up. And after it's a bit warmer than this, we're gonna use it on our face to prep it for the skincare we're gonna do next. So it's already getting warmer. I think it's good now, so just actually taking it and slowly take it to every part of your face. Okay, so after you're done with that, we're gonna grab our skincare products and apply them. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm done with my skincare routine, as you can see, because now I look like a glazed donut. So we're gonna go to the last step. We're gonna turn it on again. And then we're going to the next function with this button. So now it's gonna vibrate. And we're gonna use it on our face again to make sure that all the products you just put on your skin are being better taken in by your skin, if you know what I mean. I'm sorry, I'm not the best at English, but I really try, and it's also a bit weird for me to make this video where I'm talking in English, which is not my first language, so I hope you can all understand me. Okay, I'm all done. My skin looks really good. Yeah, well, except for these two things. Anyways, thanks for watching, and thank you, Icreos, for this product. I really loved to try it out. Well, see you next time. Bye.